Hi, I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to show you our 300-foot live electric reel. Now this is a double reel system that you would hook to your 12-volt battery of your van or truck mount or whatever equipment you might have on board. You're going to be able to run your vacuum hose hooked to your equipment, your waste tank. That's hose over here is going to be stationary, and then as the hose hooks into here, it'll actually wind up. Now we've actually set this up over here on the controls. There is a toggle switch, and depending on what direction you want the unit to roll, and it has a momentary switch. So if I push it one direction, I can use it to wind up. If I toggle switch the other direction, I can use it to wind the other direction. Because we have some customers that prefer to have the hose kind of go in under the bottom, and we have others that prefer to have it go over the top. So it'll work either way. And you can also use it to power unwind. On the side of the reel over here is a secondary hose reel. You can either use it for your solution hose. A lot of people do like to use it for a garden hose connection. And again, it holds 300 feet of solution hose or about 100 feet of garden hose. And I think this is a really good option for your equipment. There's also a lot of real estate here in front of the reel that you could use for putting a live solution reel, a floor mount, so that the door of the van kind of comes right into this spot, and then you can hold actually about 160 feet of solution hose reel right in the front. Anyway, thanks for watching.